H-A-T-B-O-Y. Mio, my. What's up, guys? It's Fat Boy R6. Before I get started, I'd like to do a shout out to my boy Brandon, aka Big Perm Wilderholt. That's my dude right there. But yeah, guys, I got a couple days left for vacation, so I figured I'd get this video out before I have to go back to work. And hopefully it's gonna be a good one, man. So we're about to go to the car wash. We're gonna do a bike wash. This girl needs a little bit of cleaning up, so. But yeah, it's been a good little vacation, man. I got to do some videos. I got to do some other stuff with the fam and some other things. So yeah, it was good. My next one in August, and it's for 2 weeks, man. I can't wait. Yeah, 2 weeks. We're gonna do something. You know, my family. We're gonna go do some things, and then I'll have another week off after that, so I can do some more videos. But I'll do some more videos too during the time that I'm spending time with my family, you know, in between. So it'll be good. Oh man, meet us at the car wash. The car wash. Yeah, we about to go to the car wash and find one of these stalls that nobody in, like this one right here. All right, we at the car wash, bro. That girl about to get wet. So I don't know. What you guys think? Should we hit him up? Should we hit it up with the? Should we hit it up with the pre-soak? We'll hit her up with the pre-soak. We gotta. Nice and pre-soaked. Well, I know she like it. She like getting wet. Look at this. Yeah. She like that. Pre-soaked. Man. But yeah, guys, I mean, I haven't watched her in probably a month, man, and she was due to it, especially in we get all this damn dust around here. She don't like it. Oh yeah, get her all foamed up. Here we go. She like that foam. You know, and I've heard different ways you can wash your bike, man. They recommend that you don't use the high pressure, just for the simple fact that they say water can get into like seals and stuff like that. So I just use this foam, man. Get it all pre-soaked, nice and wet. She like being wet. I like giving her that big wand. A big ass wand, dude. I use the high pressure on the wheels and stuff like that. But man, they cut me off. Man, what kind of shit is that, man? For $1 they give you 30 seconds. It's probably longer than 30 seconds. And we're gonna do something else. Man, I hope I brought another quarter. There we go. Shit. This one we're gonna do a man, where's it at? High pressure rinse. There we go. High pressure rinse, high pressure rinse. Pull out the big ass gun. There we go, look at that. Boom, that she really liking it. I gotta get that bottom side. Yeah, boy. But yeah, guys, I mean, this bike's really nice, man. I got some more stuff I got to do to it, but you know, it's all about time and money. And I ain't really doing no I ain't doing no fucking shit on YouTube. I mean, I'm not monetizing any of my stuff yet, so I'm waiting to grow a little bit bigger. But that's my goal, man, is to get my channel grown big. That way I could do some of this, I could do stuff like Chase and 6'4" Honda. You know, I work a full-time job, so bam, get out of here, bud. You just got fucked up. Big ass wasp. Look at that motherfucker. Bam. Fuck you. Come over here trying to sting a nigga. Man, they be cutting the time on this stuff, man. It used to be like 2 minutes for a buck. But yeah, man, that's the old bike, man. Go in here and get me a towel. These good old days at the car wash. What's up, man? Ooh. You watch YouTube? Oh, yeah. You do? Here, I'm gonna give you one of my cards. You can hit me up on Twitter or Instagram, and then my link to my YouTube's on Instagram, so you can check me out. Hit me up with a sub or whatever. All right, man. Damn, hit him up with one in. Oh man, what the hell? Forgot to grab me a towel. Lint free drying towel. Oh man, that's a blue shit. Sweet. Alright guys, man, I'm back. I just had to shut the camera off for a minute so I can do some things. But yeah, just watch the bike, man. She's beautiful. She's clean. She got wet. And then I had to dry her off. But yeah, guys, if you like this video, go ahead and like and comment, and then smash that subscribe button, and like I said, I'll have more stuff coming out. You know, most of my free time is on the weekend, so because I gotta work. But and then when I'm on vacation, I'll be putting out some more shit. Yeah, until next time, my friends, I'll see you in the next video. The Fat Boy R6 is out. Peace.